So, are you a photographer that's wondering how I could make improvements on my Instagram profile and page? So, you've come to the right place. We're going to be talking about that today and more. What's up, guys? It's Ryan here of Ryan Edda Photography. Hope you're all doing well. And today we have an amazing topic. We're talking about Instagram in 2020. So before I get to it, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, share the video, all that great stuff. So Instagram in 2020, I guess the algorithm has changed, but the principles still are the same. So you gotta make sure your Instagram is appealing to the audience that you are targeting. So it can't just be all randomly, is that even a word? It's just random all over the place. So you gotta be strategic with the actual profile and the content that you are putting out. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. So part one would just be the profile, because it's, that's the foundation for your account. So here you guys are looking at my Instagram profile that I'm sharing with you. So you can see from the top that I have put what my studio is all about, what service I provide. So that's very important. So when somebody comes across your page, they'll be able to tell, what you're all about. So, and make sure you have your contact information over there. So I have our business phone number in here and a link to book and schedule an appointment, and our address. So if you have a brick and mortar location like an office or a studio, you can add it on there on your profile. So also make sure you guys are taking advantage of like emojis, and I mean, don't overdo it, but it's really cool to have that, because it's our current generation, right? We're all like using emojis, memes, GIFs, right? So make sure you guys are using that. Also, the stories, albums, make sure you guys take advantage of that, because you can create different things that could highlight what your business does. And you can make this little cover. So what happens is, if you post something in your story, on Instagram stories, you can archive them all together and then create like a little album. So if you so here on Raves is a bunch of our client reviews that we have accumulated. So I posted it all in stories and I collected them and put them in one album. So our previous clients, so a lot of their, some reveals, right? And then you get the idea. You could put your accolades or behind the scenes. So I have like plenty behind the scenes. You can create albums of your favorite couples. So that's just one great thing that you guys have to curate to create a really nice, strong profile page, right? So how to edit your profile and add those things is right here. When you push the edit profile, so you could put your username, your company name. and make sure your profile photo is congruent. So it has to be, if you have a logo or you have a headshot, and if you put a headshot, make sure it's a happy headshot. It's a smiling, personable photo of you that would signal to a client that, oh, she's friendly, approachable, you know, as opposed to like a serious, intimidating photo. Like, you know, if you're gonna hire a person that has that an intimidating, kind of scary look, would you be more, you know, you probably won't be that compelled, unless you're trying to hire an attorney, right? That's like looking feisty, ferocious, but that's not gonna be, as a photographer, you want kind of the lighter side of a headshot, like happy and inviting, and, you know, good lighting, of course. And the website, I just chose to put in a booking contact form, so they could just directly get to my booking form. You could just lead clients to like the website, but the thing is, they can get lost in there, and then, you know, if your objective is to get a client to book a consultation or meet with them, not like they're just, if you just leave them point blank on your website, you're just gonna like go around in circles and might probably lose interest, get distracted. So, and then on the bio, like I mentioned, put in your company objectives. uh, I put in my phone number in here, and I guess a little bit of accolade, just to give a little bit of credibility to my clients. And you can business in. So I have a business page, just to let you guys know. I used to have a personal, but I switched it to business. I don't really I haven't really seen like and a huge difference, or like anything negative of having a business page compared to a personal page. But for a business page, you'll have all these information, category, contact options, action buttons, that type of stuff, email and phone number, so they could contact you when they hit any of these links here. So that's that for profile. And next topic, we're going to talk about like posting, right? So make sure you guys do your homework about improving your profile. And yeah, and then on the next video, we're gonna talk about posting and putting up content on your Instagram page. All right, so that's part one of our mini Instagram series on how to improve your Instagram profile. So tune in next week as I continue this. And please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, leave a comment, share the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ryan of Ryan Edit Photography. Hope you guys stay safe, be well, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out.